हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। मैं हूं जयप्रकाश गोसाईवाल। आप देख रहे हैं जय भीम गोसाईवाल फैमिली यूट्यूब चैनल। आज मैं आपके लिए अल्बर्ट आइंस्टीन के ऊपर निबंध लेके आया हूँ। ये खासतौर स्टूडेंट के लिए है। इसे ये वाला इससे इंग्लिश में है और यह 500 वर्ड का है। इससे आप 500 में से 250, 100, 200 कैसे भी करके या यूज कर सकते हैं। ये ऐसे खास तौर पे स्टूडेंट के लिए है। चलिए अल्बर्ट आइंस्टाइन का ऐसे शुरू करते हैं। अल्बर्ट आइंस्टाइन Albert Einstein was renowned scientist and great physicist of German Empire. He was born on 14th March 1879 in the city of Germany. In his school day, his favorite subjects were physics and mathematics. He published the first paper in 19th century, which made him the leading scientist in the world. With his intellect ability, he made a significant contribution of physics by discovering the theory of relativity in 1921. He was awarded with the Nobel Prize for his law of photoelectric effect in physics. He married Meliva Marik in 1919, but discovered he later and married his cousin Elisa. His speech on quantum physics made him a well-known scientist. It is believed he had a terrible memory because of which he could not remember dates and his phone number. After his death, his body was cremated, but the brain is still preserved in the Modern Museum. Below we have provided any essay on Albert Einstein written in essay and simple word for class 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 school student. Essay on Albert Einstein 500 word in English. Life is like a cycle. To keep your balance, you must keep moving. Where the word of renowned German American scientist, well known for his theories on relativity and matter and head, Albert Einstein, he is considered to the greatest physicist of all time because it was believed that posed and distinct prestige awarded toward the universe. Albert Einstein was born on 14 March 1879 in UIM, Wurtemberg, Germany. He belonged to a Jewish region but was not devout. His father's name was Hermann Einstein, who was a shellman and the later along with his brother ran an electromagnetic factory. His mother, Pauline Koch, was homework. He also had a sister named Maja, who was 2 years younger than him. Two events left a lasting impact on his life. First was when his father gave him a majestic campus at age 5. He was mystified that an unusual force cloud deflect the needles. This provided a base for lifelong fascination toward unseen force. The other wonder it hit him when he discovered a book of geometry at the age of 12 and cherished the most. He even named it a scared little geometry book. It is at this age he turned profoundly religious and also composed several songs in praise of God. However, these two changed when he got acquainted with scientists and started reading science related books. His religion belief contradicts with his rational views, which were challenging for him to overcome. Albert hated receiving instruction in school and often felt out of place and victim of Frisian style education that seemed to cook originality and creativity. For that reason, his teacher advised him to learn at a home instead attending school. Moreover, one of these teachers even remarked that he would never amount to anything. Another permit influence on him was when a young medical student, Max Talman, became his informal tutor and introduced mathematics and philosophy to him. His proved to be total turning points in his life. Albert's father repeated business failures, disputed his studies, and they moved to Milan, Italy. He was left at Mucci in boarding school to finish education, but as he was alone, he left merciful and repelled against the military duty. 6 months later, he ran away and arrived at the parent house. His parents were worried and realized the problem he would face a school drop. Fortunately, in Zurich at Swiss Federal Politics School, he excelled in mathematics and physics, entrance tests, but failed at biology, French, and chemistry. But due to his excellence in mathematics, he was allowed to enroll into the Polytechnic on the condition to finish his formal schooling. In 1896, he completed his graduation and met students who became his lifelong friends, such as Marcel Grossman, a mathematician, and Bishop, with whom he clouded indulged into a legitimate conversation about space and time. There he met his future wife, Meliva Maric, who also a physics student from Serbia. After completing graduation, he used to study advanced subject on which on and often cut classes which angered some of his professors, especially Heinrich Webb. Eventually, when he asked Webb for a letter of recommendation, he was turned down multiple times, for which he could not apply for a academic position. Later, his father, friend Marcel Grossman, recommended him to take up position to clerk in a Swiss patent office in Bern. His job required him to just put application in for the parent, which provided him more times to devote to the physics questions that were brooding in his mind, and scientific paper. With a small but steady income, he left confident and married Marco on 6th January 1903. The couple was blessed with two sons, namely Hans and Edward, in 1904 and 1910. While working in the patent office, he snatched the opportunity to solve the question of beam light that he was observed when he was 16. The deep insight led Albert formula the principles of relativity. Furthermore, in 1905, he published four papers and alerted the course of physics. Other scientists such as Henry Poincare and Henrik Lorentz tried to put forth the theory of special relativity, but was Einstein who was pioneer assembling the whole branch. Both approaches brought him laser and properly across the globes. He gained recognition and respect of valuable contribution and was awarded Nobel Prize in Physics for the research he did on the photoelectric effect. His marriage failed with Marie, and he later married his cousin Alisa. Einstein was one of creative mind in the history of humanity. It is evident from the fact that after his death the body was cremated, but his brain is preserved in the Military Museum. His vision and corpus nature landed him significant achievement, and his love for music and belief in the world peace were the characteristics really known as by few. जय हिंद जय भीम। वीडियो अच्छा लग रहा है तो सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए, और ये आपको बेल आइकन का ऑप्शन दिखाई दे रहा है, उस पर क्लिक कीजिए और सब्सक्राइब करने मत भूलना, और बेल आइकन को ऑल पे सेलेक्ट कर दीजिए। और हाँ, कमेंट करना मत भूलना, और वीडियो को जल्दी से जल्दी अपने दोस्तों के पास में शेयर करो। थैंक्स।